Hey, I'm Erik, and I'm an addict. I used to sleep in the bushes. I want to show you something. 10 trading days, 62% win rate, $6,000 net after fees. I did it from a sober living home in Ventura, California, with a laptop and none of my own money. If you think you can't do this, you're wrong. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, and you don't need your own money to do it either. I'm going to show you that too. Here's what this channel is. I trade NQ futures on prop accounts. That means I trade other people's money and keep 90% of the profits. I document everything. The wins, the losses, the psychology, and the moments where I almost blew it. All of it, live. And I apply the principles of recovery to trading. Because the same patterns that make an addict pick up are the same patterns that blow up a trading account. The impulse, the chase, the inability to sit still, the self-destruction disguised as confidence. It's the same disease, different chair. I figured that out the hard way. I built something called the 12 Steps of Recovery. It's free. Link in the description. No email, no sign up. Just take it and use it. It's modeled after the 12 Steps of Recovery. It's the psychological framework I trade from every single day. It's what took me from blowing up accounts to where those numbers are right now. This channel is free. Everything on it is free. Any money this channel makes goes towards sponsoring homeless addicts into sober living programs. Because that was me, and somebody needs to do something about it. So if you're a trader who can't get out of your own way, this channel is for you. If you're in recovery and you're looking for something real to build, this channel is for you. If you've lost everything and think your past disqualifies you from a future, this channel is especially for you. Because it doesn't. I'm proof. Subscribe. Come back. We're going to get to work. Watch. Wait. Strike.